Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is all about holiday flavors. We are going to make 3 different types of bubble tea using seasoned flavors. For the ingredients, I'm going to make use of the main ingredient, which is the Taiwanese black tea, because this is bubble tea. And then I'm going to use my creamer. Bubble tea is not complete without creamer. Unfortunately, even though I'm not so much into powdered ingredients, this one cannot be without it. Okay, and because I'd like to balance this, I'm going to use milk, or in this case, this is a pasteurized milk. And we are going to make 3 different sizes. We're going to make 12 ounces, 16 ounces, and 22 ounces. For the tools, we're going to make use of my shaker because I'm going to serve this with absolutely melted ice. And also we are going to make use of my electric milk frother to make our milk foam. For the brewed tea, I am using the proportion which is 150 grams of my tea leaves into 5 liters of water. For this, I prefer the use of boiling it. It's not really using the machine because this tea is not as strong as like Thai tea, for example. So I normally boil the water, put my tea leaves in, and then I steep it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I come up with very strong tea. In this case, I put them in my kettle to keep it warm so that when we mix our drinks, all my ingredients that are powdered, like this one, creamer, will be dissolved in the mixture. We're going to start by making the milk foam. I'm using here a bucket full of ice and my steaming jug, which is, in this case, I'm just using a steaming pitcher to make my foam. And I'm going to fill this up to the bottom of the spout right here with cold milk. Now the reason why I'm putting it here is because I am not going to go away and let it stabilize. So I'm going to just put it right here and make my milk foam. So using my electric frother, let's make the milk foam. Very quickly you get a creamy milk foam here. Okay, so I am going to put this aside for now, and then we're going to use it later. First is going to be strawberry milk tea. To make our drinks, I'm going to use a scale so that we can make our drinks very consistent in taste, and it's a lot easier. We're going to use a shaker. I'm going to measure all my ingredients into the shaker, straight into the shaker. So I'll put it into tare. Ingredients will be our brewed tea, our creamer, and for the flavor, I am going to use strawberry here. And because I would like to decorate my glass in the end, I'm going to put my strawberry into a squeeze bottle here. So we are also going to use some sinkers because this is bubble tea. We're going to use tapioca pearls at the bottom of our glass. So for the strawberry milk tea, I'm going to use 12 ounces, and my recipe for 12 ounces is 4 ounces or 120 ml of brewed black tea. I need 2 tablespoons of creamer to stir. And this time I am going to put 10 ml of my strawberry puree, just 10 ml, just to make the drink sweet. I'm not going to add any sugar at all. For the ice, I normally would say just fill it about 3/4 of the way. And then we are going to give it a good shake to dissolve the ice. And this time, to decorate our glass, I'm going to paint the walls with strawberry puree. That's why I'm using a squeeze bottle here. Okay, so there you go. And then now I'm going to add my tapioca pearls at the bottom. I'm being generous here. You can't put 1 scoop. I'm putting 2 scoops here. And then pour your drink over. Leave some space for the milk foam. And now you can put your milk foam over. And decorate the top with a little bit of strawberry sauce, strawberry puree. And you have your first holiday flavor, strawberry bubble tea. Next drink is a second flavor of the season, and it's going to be in 16 ounces cup. We are going to make blueberry milk tea. I'm using a local brand of blueberry puree here. And the same way, I'm also using a squeeze bottle, and I put my puree in here so I can decorate my cup. 16 ounces, I need 150 ml of my brewed black tea. As you can see, this is warm. 3 tablespoons of creamer. stir. What I need here is 20 ml of my blueberry puree. I'm going to put 20 ml. This is on the sweet side. You can reduce or adjust according to your preference. For the ice, you can be easy. You don't have to fill it to the top, just a little bit, because we are going to put some bubbles at the bottom and it will fill your cup immediately. Not too much ice in this case. Give it a good shake. So we're going to put our pearls, again, generously. Decorate the walls of your cup with blueberry. Pour your drink over. The color is on the dark side. Okay, and there is your 16 ounces second holiday flavor blueberry bubble tea. Let's make our final drink, which is holiday flavor number 3, chocolate mint. For 22 ounces, I need 200 ml of brewed black tea, 4 tablespoons of my creamer, 2, 3, 4, stir. And this I am going to add my mint, but mint, this is syrup, it's not a puree, so I'm just going to put 20 ml of my mint syrup. And this might end up sweeter for you, so you have to adjust according to your taste preference. I almost forgot my 1 tablespoon of dark chocolate. Once again, stir. So again, easy on the ice. Shake, dissolve the ice. So, as you know, Boba Pearls, they tend to get very sticky in not a long period of time. They don't last very long, okay? So there you go, Boba Pearls there. And then we are going to decorate the sides with some mint. Paint the wall of your cup with mint. We just want it to look good, but it's not really to sweeten the drink. We already put the sweetener or the mint with our drink. Pour your drink. Wow, that is looking good. Chocolate, mint. Well, the mint did not quite come out because, as I've said, it's a syrup and it's not a puree. But it doesn't matter, it's okay. You can decorate the top with mint syrup. This one, it will not be the same, so just really a little bit of mint syrup there. We are now ready for the holiday season. 3 different holiday flavors for bubble tea, and I'm sure they all taste equally delicious. I deliberately made them overflowing, so I need some tissue to hold my glass this time. Okay, strawberry milk tea. And it is delicious, wow. Tastes like Christmas. Blueberry milk tea, let me hold it. Just the right sweetness. Follow my recipes, and if you want it sweeter, just add a bit more of your puree. And finally, the last but not the least, I'm saving this for last because I do love chocolate mint. Not only in tea or chocolate, also in coffee. Chocolate and mint, perfect Christmas flavor. So there you go, 3 delicious holiday flavors that you can add to your menu this coming Christmas and New Year holidays. If you have any questions about these recipes at all, do let me know, comment below. In the meantime, I'll see you again for more of these video tutorials. Stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.